Whether it's an AC in summer or a heater in winter, people love enjoying both the breezes in their seasons, but what they don't is the repairing maintenance of both the systems. At Brewer Mechanical, it's our favorite task to do maintenance of heating and air conditioning systems. So if you need maintenance service and have not opted into our maintenance plan, this special offer is for you. Brewer Mechanical has brought for you BOGO, buy one, get one, offer at just $92. Now what does it mean? We're going to provide maintenance for both your heating and air conditioning systems at the same time for only $92 without any extra or hidden charges, so you can enjoy heating when you need it and cooling when you want it. How can this 2-in-1 service be beneficial for you? The answer is simple. Well, two things are happening when we're coming out there to do the BOGO is because we're trying to get your heating and air conditioning back to factory specifications so it doesn't break down this winter. The other thing that we're trying to do is get it back to peak efficiency, which results in saving you on your utility costs. Another advantage is when both maintenances are performed at the same time. It's going to save us time, energy, and resources. So it's completely in your favor to have us come out at one time. You must be asking, why can't it be done all the time this way? It's because of our window opportunity, which means when it gets cold out, we can't tune up your air conditioner because it's not going to run properly. In the same manner, when it's 105 degrees Celsius outside, you don't want to kick on that heater. Then don't delay making an appointment for our $92 BOGO buy one get one with a complete refund in case of the system breakdowns within a year.